Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 electric skateboards in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading electric skateboard that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The isinwheel V8 V6 V10 Electric Skateboard. Perfect for both beginners and experienced riders, it promises an exciting ride. Let's explore its standout features. The V6 model is an entry-level skateboard built for beginners and teens. Its compact 27.5-inch board is easy to store and tote around, offering plenty of control for novice riders. Equipped with a new version lithium battery, the V6 offers a top speed of 12 miles per hour and a range of 8 to 10 miles. It's perfect for enjoying extended skateboarding sessions. The skateboard comes with a compact, user-friendly remote. The remote offers intuitive control with an ergonomic design, enhancing the riding experience for teens and beginners. Made from sturdy 8-ply maple, the V6 supports up to 264 pounds. It ensures a steady ride even at top speeds, distributing weight evenly for stability. In conclusion, the isinwheel V8 V6 V10 Electric Skateboard combines fun, durability, and control. Perfect for riders of all levels, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 4. The MEEPO Campus Electric Skateboard. Perfect for beginners and teens, it offers a top speed of up to 29 miles per hour and a fun, accessible ride. Let's explore its standout features. The Campus Skateboard features a 26.7-inch deck, making it easy to carry and store. The 4-speed remote control allows users to effortlessly choose the perfect speed. With speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour and a range of 8 to 10 miles, the Campus Skateboard is perfect for short commutes. The UL2272 certified battery ensures safe and extended riding sessions. The compact 4-speed remote allows riders to switch speeds with ease. Ideal for enhancing balance and riding skills, it's user-friendly and straightforward to operate. Constructed from strong 7-ply maple, the Campus Skateboard supports up to 264 pounds. It offers stable rides even at top speeds, ensuring durability and performance. The Smart Safe Power battery module is UL2272 certified, providing hardware and software protections. MEEPO offers 6-month support for your board, ensuring a safe and reliable ride. In conclusion, the MEEPO Campus Electric Skateboard combines fun, safety, and performance. Perfect for beginners and teens, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 3. The CAROMA 350W Electric Skateboard. With a top speed of 12.4 miles per hour and a range of 8 miles, it promises a thrilling ride. Let's explore its standout features. Powered by a 350W motor, this skateboard offers 3 speed modes: low, medium, and high. The 29.4 V 2000 mAh battery provides a range of 6 to 8 miles and charges fully in 2 hours. The 2.4 GHz wireless remote controls movements like forward, backward, accelerate, and brake. With a control range of up to 14 m, it also updates you on battery levels via LED indicators. Crafted from 7 layers of robust maple, this skateboard offers superior flex, stability, and durability. It supports a maximum load of 220 pounds and resists impact collisions without deformation. The durable 7 cm PU wheels, kick tail, and concave design ensure enhanced control. Enjoy a smooth ride on the streets, regardless of your skill level. In conclusion, the CAROMA 350W Electric Skateboard combines speed, control, and durability. Perfect for both beginners and advanced skaters, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 2. The Jking Electric Skateboard. With a top speed of 16.7 miles per hour and an 8.2-mile range, it's perfect for both fun and commuting. Let's explore its standout features. The UL2272 certified 29.4 V 4000 mAh lithium battery provides a max speed of 16.7 miles per hour fully charged in 4 hours. It's perfect for skaters aged 12 and up. Weighing only 12.3 pounds, the 31.7-inch deck is made from 2 layers of bamboo and 6 layers of maple. It's flexible, secure, and supports up to 210 pounds. The 350W dual brushless hub motor is more reliable than belt drive motors. It supports up to a 12 degrees climbing angle and can be used like a regular skateboard. The remote control lets you switch freely, accelerate, brake, and adjust between 3 speed modes. Enjoy the scenery anytime, anywhere with ease and control. No assembly needed, making it easy to use and ride anywhere. It's a great gift for boys, girls, teenagers, youth, and adults. Remember to wear protective gear. In conclusion, the Jking electric skateboard combines power, portability, and fun. Perfect for all ages, it's a fantastic addition to your skating gear. Number 1. The MEEPO Mini 5 Mini 3S Electric Skateboard. With a top speed of 29 miles per hour and a range of 11 miles, it promises an exciting ride. Let's explore its standout features. The Mini 5's 30-inch short deck and kicktail make it easy to ride and carry. Its optimal width and front-end protection offer comfort, providing a wonderful riding experience. This skateboard's compact body is perfect for advancing your skating skills. Made of maple, it supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring durability and performance. Ideal for commuting, the MEEPO Mini 5 is easy to transport on and off buses. Its mobility and high performance make it perfect for cruiser enthusiasts of all ages. With a range of 11 miles, the Mini 5 is great for speed and portability. It's the best choice for lifestyle riders seeking efficiency in their rides. In conclusion, the MEEPO Mini 5 Mini 3S electric skateboard combines fun, performance, and portability. Perfect for skaters of all levels, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.